Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to loop sounds using Audacity. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Audacity app on your PC. Once the application launches and you're ready to begin, you'll need to select the portion of audio you want to loop. You have two options here depending on what you're trying to achieve. You can click and drag over the specific section of audio you want to loop, which is useful if you only need a certain part repeated. Alternatively, if you want the entire audio track to loop, simply double-click on it to select everything. Choose whichever method works best for your project. After you've made your selection, direct your attention to the top toolbar. Click on Effect to open up the Effects menu. This is where Audacity houses all its audio manipulation tools, including the looping feature we need. Once the menu appears, hover your mouse over the option labeled Special. This will reveal a submenu with additional effect options. From this submenu, select Repeat. This is the specific tool that allows you to create loops of your selected audio. A new window will now pop up with looping options. Here you'll see a field labeled Number of Repeats to add. Right beside this label, there's a text field where you can specify exactly how many additional copies of your selected audio you want. Click on this text field and enter the number of times you'd like the audio to repeat. This gives you precise control over how long your final looped audio will be. Once you've entered your desired number of repeats, click the Apply button at the bottom of the window. Audacity will now process your audio and create the loop based on your specifications. Depending on the length of your audio and the number of repeats you've chosen, this might take a moment to complete. After the processing is finished, you'll want to preview your work to make sure it sounds exactly how you intended. In the upper left corner of the Audacity interface, click the Play button. This will play back your newly looped audio so you can hear the final result and confirm everything sounds smooth and continuous. And that's it. You've successfully looped your audio in Audacity and created a repeated sound effect or background track. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.